Hello, welcome back to my channel, and a special welcome also to my subscribers. Thank you to everyone who takes the time to subscribe. If you haven't yet, please do so. If you see the pizza, you know we're back with an unboxing video. This is box number 10, the October box. I've spread out the items again, as you can see, no plastic, so that's really something that we strive towards, and usable plastic. First one is it's a little rough stitched pocket with some fabric scraps, and there's a number of items in here so that you can reuse as a pocket in your junk journal. So first item is a set. It's a library pocket with some library cards, nice floral design. As you can see, all the finished embellishments, they're inked. You just stick them in. If you wanted to further embellish, you could. Another tag also stitched, and it's got a mini envelope on some gauze, and then the mini envelope is filled with some little die cuts and a sticker in this case. They are all different. And then also in this little pocket is a whole lot of botanical stickers. So there's some florals, some foliage, some fruit, big selection of stickers. The next item is a spool, a craft spool, and then it's got this little blanket pin. It is too cute. So it's like a normal blanket pin, except the size is more suitable to junk journaling, and it's got a length of cotton strip to use like that as a tie, as a journal closure. They make nice ruffles, page ruffles. I love the texture that they give. We've also got a lunch bag. It's an embellished paperclip. Lots of detail, even the back. Can you see it's got a little heart? And then there's a selection of, they're quite neutral, ephemera pieces. This is one of my favorite. It's a bulb pin dangle, a journaling card bulb pin dangle. It's got some beads, it's got a charm, and then it hangs like that. So something like using that strip with that. Again, these items they all match, they're all in a certain style, so really interchangeable in the journal. A lunch bag with a big journaling card, and it's embellished with the florals blanket at the back, with some pearls and rhinestones. That's a really fun element, especially for us in the southern hemisphere going into summer. A little fluffy tie, that's closed with a sticker. I have to prise this open. Oops. Then I have to just tear it. It's 2 rolls of tape. The one's got like a lace scallop, and the other one's got all sorts of vintage elements. This is not a washi tape, so if you undo it, it rolls off like a sticker with a backing that you can still pull off. So it's not immediately sticky. It's a sticky tape, but not stuck to itself, if that makes it clear. I've got it's a double-lined craft bag, embellished. Each embellishment on these bags was different. And then it's got a selection of background papers in. So these are thinner papers, so they're good for making pockets, envelopes, clusters, layered embellishments, collages, those sort of things. And then the last item, and this is the item that we've got such good feedback on, it's a really special item. So it's tied up in a ledger paper. The ledger paper is dated from 1948. And then the inside is two vintage magazines. This is from this particular one from 1957. So it's in that age range. And just look at the advertisements. These are original pieces, Polaroid. The ladies, of course, very elegant. So this will make really, really good ephemera pieces. Lovely images. This can be copied or scanned and used again and again. So that's the one, and here's the other one, Cobra Polish, still in existence. These were from the Sari magazine, which was a very iconic Afrikaans magazine. So some recipes and things, maybe try some of these recipes, and then all the advertisements and the images, really, really nice. So this was a particularly special piece for this October box. As always, boxes are 240 Rand. There's a limited amount of boxes available each month, and our subscribers are remaining very loyal. Thank you very much. Please contact us if you're interested for boxes going forward. And thank you for watching. Thanks for the comments, and thanks for the continued support. Bye-bye.